How to increase leads and calls without increasing your advertising budget for your water damage company. How can a water damage company owner get more leads while cutting back on advertising cost? You know that, today, every business needs not only an online presence, but brilliant online visibility in order to survive because of the severe competition online. Only 2 to 3 water damage companies can effectively be shown in the Map 3 pack at any given time. This means that water damage companies have had to keep increasing their advertising budget to such high levels that their net take-home pay has been steadily dwindling and shrinking. It is time to change all that. What can be done to increase net revenue and increase your water damage company's take-home pay? You can increase your water damage company's net revenue and take-home pay when you do these 3 things. 1. Increase visibility. 2. Increase conversions. 3. Cut back on advertising spend. Any one of these done suboptimally reduces your income. I'd like to share with you how you can do all 3 in easy ways without additional out-of-pocket expense, where you save from spending extra time or increasing your water damage company's advertising cost, and still get as much as 47% to 300% more in calls and leads. Would you like to increase your water damage company's visibility online, increase leads and calls, without increasing your ad budget? There are 5 good options for you to be seen on page 1 on Google and Bing. 1. Ranking in Google Maps, to show on page 1, without any advertising cost. 2. Local service ads, that show you on page 1, with advertising for a low cost. 3. Search box optimization, where you show up on pretty much the entire page 1, without advertising. 4. PPC advertising, probably the most expensive, and complements lead generation. 5. SEO, which everyone needs eventually. Although we recommend all of them, to avoid dips in appointments, sales, and business growth momentum due to fickle algorithm changes by the host platforms, we'd like to share with you an initial starting point, which might be a good way to boost your business at least expense. Would you like to see that? Connect to know more, or simply hit reply and say near me.